is Tania from Hearts and Bones Pilates. I thought I'd just do a little introduction video for you to see how easy it is for you to set up so that we can do classes online. I would suggest that you need to have a really well lit space, and you need to be able to have good sound. You need to have a really fast internet connection. So if you're on sort of a dial-up, this might be a little bit more tricky for you to achieve. So if you've got fiber or high-speed internet, your setup will be ideal. Now we can either do this on Zoom or we can do it on Messenger or WhatsApp. All of those. FaceTime has also got a video function so that we can actually talk to each other. We could also set up on Skype. So I'm happy to work on whichever platform suits you best. You'll need sort of your cell phone or an iPad or a desktop computer. If you are using a cell phone, I would suggest that you might want to invest in a little mini tripod like this one. This is a Manfrotto. I think that's about $40. But I know that you can get these little tripods, a little bit simpler design, from Kmart for about $8. And then I've just got this little attachment that you just screw onto the top that holds your cell phone nice and secure. And you can get one for an iPad. In fact, that's the one that I'm using on my big tripod right now as I'm talking to you. I would also suggest that you might not want to be wearing black. Black just makes it a little bit harder for me to see your alignment online, but you'd be amazed what I can see. I do have a history of working online with people, and it is really quite simple and straightforward. It feels like I'm right there with you. So I'm really looking forward to working with you. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.